This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the area, clear loose fragments, and put on gloves and eye protection. Once done, measure the hole and mark a repair boundary extending about 1/2 inch beyond the damaged edges so the mesh overlaps solid material. Next, cut back ragged material until you reach a firm substrate. This creates a slightly recessed pocket for the mesh to sit flush. Make shorter, controlled cuts and test fit the mesh to confirm. You place the mesh centered over the hole with about 1/2 inch overlap on all sides. Trim the mesh to avoid excess that folds. Then apply bonding adhesive or patching compound under the mesh first, and press the mesh into that wet layer so it adheres from below. Once seated, apply an even skim coat over the mesh. Use a trowel to smooth and compress the patch, eliminating air pockets and ensuring the mesh is fully encapsulated. This prevents delamination later. You finish by feathering the outer edges of the compound so transitions are gradual. Allow the patch to cure according to the product label, often about 24 hours. Once cured, sand with fine grit until smooth, then prime and paint to match the surrounding surface for a seamless look. If after curing you notice hairline cracks or separation, make sure the area was clean and reapply a thin mesh layer with fresh compound to reinforce the repair. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes adhesion failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.